Good morning, my charming gems. Welcome to my channel. It's been a minute. I'm back. I'm just here for a quick hello. I was trying to get out the sun because I'm outside and I overslept and everything. So I missed breakfast. So I had to settle for lunch, which is okay because I'm hungry. Doesn't matter. Can y'all see my merch? I just got back from Arizona the other day, from Phoenix, seeing Big Guy Appetite and his family. That was so much fun. So my body clock is off a little bit because of time difference, and the flight was long, but it was all good. It was all worth it, I'm telling you. But I wanted breakfast, but I'm too late. So look what I got. Chick Fil A. I got Chick Fil A, a spicy chicken sandwich. I'm off today too, so that was good. Spicy chicken sandwich I got. And I got ooh, they just made these some waffle fries. Can you guys see that? It's too much sun. It's hard to get in a spot where you don't have too much sun or anything. So I hope it's not too much glare. But anyway, I already blessed my food. I'm about to dive in, y'all, because I'm hungry. Hungry. I don't think I need my shades right now, even though it's kind of bright out here. Let's see what we're talking about here. Yeah, y'all, I had so much fun. I want to go back. It's cold here. Actually, today is not that bad. It's not too cold. Ooh, I haven't had a Wendy's spicy chicken sandwich in forever. Look at that. See, the sun's coming around, so I gotta hurry up and eat. Look at that. And the pickles. They should have put jalapenos, but it's all good. Mmm. Look at that. It's not breakfast what I wanted, but it's good. It's bomb. Mmm. You know what they should do? They should put jalapenos in here. Even though the pickles are good, jalapenos would be bomb. Got me some fruit punch. I went to Wendy's thinking they were having breakfast still. I got there a little before 10 o'clock. I couldn't understand what she was saying, but she was like, something about 10:30. So I was like, okay. So, but it's not even 11 o'clock yet. She says, no, we have breakfast from 6:30 to 10:30. Like, what happened to 11 o'clock? Give people a chance to get up. So, that was disappointing. But it's all good. So I said, where can I go grab something? Breakfast is pretty much over. Not at, like, different, places like McDonald's and stuff like that, Wendy's, Burger King. But if you go to a diner or IHOP, you can get breakfast all day. So I didn't feel like going to those places. I just wanted something quick. Look at waffle fries. Can y'all hear me? I don't have my mic. Wendy's is fire though. I was hungry. I was so tired from the plane ride. And then I went with BGA and his family to the Renaissance Festival. That was a great experience. And we did a lot of walking. We did a lot of walking, but it was so much fun. Mama Appetite and the Warden and all the whole family, they're so cute. I'm ready to go back. I'm ready to go back. Wow. Even my son Omar had a great time. He kept saying, I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm here. I said, well, we're here. Enjoy it. And then my goddaughter lives there too. She's amazing. Her hospitality is like off the charts. I love her so much. Ooh, this is yummy. Spicy. I like the way they season their chicken. I don't know how they season it, but I like the way they season it. So good. I gotta get back in the swing of things. Gotta go back to work tomorrow. Definitely am not ready. Not ready. Actually, I'm so happy today is not as cold as it usually is around this time of year. These are fire when they just make them. Oh my God. Got a couple more runs to make. Then I'm going back home, get some more rest. And chill. I just want to stop and say hello to everybody. Tell you guys I'm back. And I got a lot more things on my agenda for my channel coming up. So, stay tuned. Until I see you next time, stay blessed. I love you. And thanks, BGA, for such a good time in Arizona. Love you guys. Bye, my gems. Talk to you soon.